Feeling lost about your Cinc card balance and spending? No worries, this video will show you exactly how to check your funds and track your transactions in under 90 seconds. First, grab your Cinc card and a device with internet access, like your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Head to the official Cinc card website. The address is usually printed on the back of your card, or you can simply search Cinc card online. Once on the website, look for the Login or Account Access section. This is typically located on the home page, often in the top right corner or center of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the login page. Now, you'll need to enter your Cinc card username and password. If this is your first time accessing your account online, you'll likely need to register or create an account. Look for a registration link, which is usually below the login fields. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you should see your available Cinc card balance displayed prominently. It might be in a larger font or highlighted in a specific color. To check your transaction history, look for a tab or link labeled Transaction History, Statement, or Recent Activity. Click on it to view a detailed list of your past purchases, deposits, and any fees. And there you have it. You now know how to easily check your Cinc card balance and track your transactions. Remember to regularly monitor your card activity to stay on top of your finances. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more money management tips.